used to preach that video games are a waste of time. Now they still are a waste of time. However, time you enjoy wasting isn't necessarily time wasted. I, for example, like to read books. I don't benefit necessarily monetarily from them, they're just entertainment. What I would say is, whereas books can make you more interesting as a person, video games, you have to find a way of at least offsetting the damage done by the time you sink into them. By, at the very least, trying to be productive. Streaming your video gameplay on Rumble, trying to play competitively with other people over the internet and making videos and document your games and try and get some eyes on you so you're not just isolated by yourself messing around in your room with your face in a computer screen. There are extremely famous streamers who make a lot of money playing video games, and people say like, oh well, they play video games, I should do the same thing. They're not just video game players though. They're entertainers, they're charismatic, they're funny, they're hosting a show. These people who host the video game streams are more than just players themselves, because it's not the video games people are interested in, it's their personality.